Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the LG V30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the power button bracket using a tweezer. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 7 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector on the left hand side. Next, take out the not token battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, place the new battery in the body with adhesive. Next, plug in the battery plug and place the mainboard frame by securing 7 screws. Next, secure the button bracket on the logic board. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.